Net. Okay, I am happy to announce that. Okay, so I'm hoping this still works with audio problems, but I'll give it a whirl. So right now we are working with MotiveWave in crypto. There is no way to send out orders. I just wanted to let you know I'm using uh, the ability of Python scripting to do that. I also make it through get a process through a database called Redis. So this is now available to, or will be available to, my Quant Elite members with source code and a 49-minute detailed walkthrough. So if you're interested in this, come over to my website, look for the store, and then the Quant Elite membership. That will get you started there. If you're not interested in that, you want to learn more but other related things, just come over to the quantlabs.net/book. Send over your info, and I can get you some books delivered to you for free. So continuing along with that, as I said, we got MotiveWave with the crypto. We've got the scripting as well. So part of that I make heavy leverage use out of is the course. Looks like we got memory problems as well. The course is available, again, through my store. This is a Python infrastructure course. It's available through my store on and the Shopify. It's called the Python infrastructure course. Again, just going to look for that. Look for the Python logo, and that will partially walk you through it. But to get access to the files and the source code walkthrough, so this is the course here I speak of, this Python 3 course. You need to get access to the Quant Elite, but the Quant Elite does include this Python 3 course. So that's all available now, and it's a bridge, again, between the ability to send signals of your choosing, alerts or studies, and then have the Python receive the email and then turn around and send out orders to your Binance, or in my case, Binance Asia exchange. And it's of any choosing using a package called CCXT to whatever exchange you want. All right, that's pretty well it. And we shall go from there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.